The cost of wired charger are so high and it need more maintenance. And sometimes as the rating of EV increases, the weight, size and cost of the charger also increases. To design a completely autonomous electric vehicle charger, when the batteries get fully charged, it get automatically disconnect. It also provide dynamic charging, and it allow multiple vehicles charge through this from a single point.
We have researched and we have found that when the vehicle is running in this up to the speed of 70 kilometer per hour, there is no problem in it. But when it is existing that speed, and when the environment is hot, like bursting of tire can occur, and it could result in major accident.
The e-rickshaws, e-loaders manufactured till date are of same mold design. As we can see in this image, every e-rickshaws present in the market are of same old design, old concept. We have also identified that that owner of the EV have to purchase different vehicles for different purpose. To overcome such problems present in market, we have come up with a solution of convertible electric vehicle.
We know that we are wasting around 5,000 trillion kilowatt energy per year. That is incident over India's like land mass. Every hour, or every day, we are wasting 4 to 7 kilowatt hour energy that can be converted into electricity via solar cells.
1 in 3 drivers admit to have a hard time because they are driving for a long time, so they feel sleepy while they're driving. So it leads to an accident. According to the statistics, every year accidents due to drowsy driving ranges from 700 to 800, and 9.5% of all the crashes that are happening in India are due to drowsy driving. An individual's average heart rate decreases 9% when they feel sleepy. So with this idea, we have come up with an innovative solution, which is SPENT, a smart alert system in a band. We have designed a band which will alert the driver when they feel sleepy.
Energy demand is increasing 48% in next 20 years as per the estimated research papers, and for the sustainable growth, renewable energy resources are necessary. Most renewable energy resources, wind, solar, etc., are single purpose and are required initial cost very high. Yearly 1.5 billion waste is generated, which can power the India throughoutly, as per our study.
80% of people don't have access to technologically advanced automobiles with features like obstacle detection, and most of them fall in the age bracket of 26 above. So most modern cars that have obstacle detection system, they have a series of sensors. However, the problem with this is that these are inherently individualistic sensors. They can't be separately operated.
Pedestrian deaths account for around 30% of all deaths from road traffic crashes in India. In some large Indian cities, the proportion of pedestrians killed is up to 60%. Therefore, the ability to predict pedestrian behavior is a crucial for road safety, traffic management systems, and advanced driver assistance systems. So to ensure maximum safety of pedestrians, we propose the idea of developing a system that detects pedestrian intent even before the action has been performed. Now, the already available ADAS system can only detect a pedestrian, but it fails to predict their actions in near future.